I'm Joanne Turner reporting for Total Telecom, and I'm here at the Huawei Global MBB Forum in Hong Kong, and I'm talking to Nikhil Narvekar from AGCO. Nikhil, welcome. So I guess what people might think when they first see that AGCO are participating in an event like this is that, agriculture and technology might not immediately spring to mind. So perhaps you can tell us a little bit about AGCO and some of their technological innovations.
Sure. So we are in the tractor business, and AGCO is the largest pure-play tractor manufacturing, agriculture equipment manufacturing company in the world. It's not just the regular tractor anymore. You see, it's now smart, it's connected, and that's the reason I'm here. We have our tractors outfitted now with modems that communicate back, not just for the tractor but for the whole farming ecosystem. We have right from seeding and the tilling of the land to the harvesting, and even the grain storage, for example, is all temperature controlled. And the back office operations for the farmer as well as the dealer network is tightly integrated. So if we can help the farmer in the end to achieve more yield from their product, it's a win-win situation for all. And that's where we look at IoT as a significant driver into realizing those dreams. We've been working on IoT for a while now with 2G and 3G, but with 5G it brings up a lot more opportunities for us, and be able to harness more data out of a tractor to increase the yield. If you look at the history of farming, right from the 50s, we had one farmer feed around 15 people. By the end of this decade, it's going to be close to 220 for each farmer. And land is not increasing, land is shrinking. So we have to get the maximum yield out from the land. And this is where we feel innovation and technology innovation will help a lot in achieving those goals.
Obviously, coverage is probably one of the biggest challenges you face.
Yes, coverage is key. We want pervasive broadband. And most of our business is in the rural areas, as you can imagine. Average farmer has around 2,000 acres of land. And to get pervasive coverage in his farm, in his facility, is absolutely key for us to drive this product forward for us. So the more coverage we get, obviously, is going to help us. And this is where I look at narrowband IoT, which is a key enabler for those services. By able to exploit this coverage issues, we should be able to we'll place ourselves in a good position overall.
Okay, and what are some of the feedback you've received while you're talking to operators about some of these challenges you're facing?
So the operators are pretty receptive. They want to deploy 5G out there. My key concern is how soon we can do this. One of our challenges we've had in the past, where 2G was decommissioned in the US a couple of months ago, and that caused our tractors to stop working at some point. So we had to swap those devices out. If we can get onto the roadmaps with these telco operators, which I've been doing in the past couple of days here, it's been very helpful. It helps us prepare for 5G. We know what's coming, when it's coming, and accordingly we can adjust our internal systems to handle that. So if tomorrow when you decide to decommission 3G, for example, we are not caught off guard.
Okay, and how useful is events like this to build relationships and really form that partnership with these players?
It's very critical. Looking at what Huawei has built over here, with the whole ecosystem of the telco operators coming together, as well as the verticals that they've brought in for the first time in this conference, it has definitely helped us, because now we see where the industry is going, not just from a single vendor perspective, but broader perspective from all the different regions. And for a company like AGCO, it makes perfect sense, because we operate in pretty much every country where there's a farm. So that definitely helps us.
Okay, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.